Oh my god, I choked on that one. Yeah, that's a good one. Who in there, Kaiser? Chuck Norris does not leave the room. He is the room.
Sell stop and Q. Sell stop and Q. Sell iceberg and Q. Buy iceberg and Q. Absorption spires and Q. Absorption spires and Q. Buy iceberg and Q. Buy stop and Q.
Alright, we got a few more minutes and then we should be open.
Stop.
What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? What's up? All right, man. All right. All right. What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Yeah, what up?
My boy Smith is here. You said what?
Stream cut off. Whoa, we open, baby.
Yeah, I think I'm going long if it hits 30. Baby, just hit it. Don't make me choose. Don't make me choose. Don't make me choose.
Man, I was saying we get down to 420. This might go back into the threes.
Damn. Damn. All right, man. All right. I'm not going to chase today. I'm not going to chase. I'm not going to chase this. I'm not going to chase it.
I am. No.
Shit, I'm trying to get in this long, baby. I'm trying to get in this long. Damn.
No, yeah. I agree, but I think it got some more downside.
Damn.
Potentially.
All right, man. I'm not gonna chase this. I'm not gonna chase it. I'm not gonna chase it. I'm not gonna chase it. Damn.
You got to think we've been selling off all pre-market. They might want to buy it up a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't think a full-blown reversal just yet.
No, that was it, man. That was it. This needs to come back down here and touch me and tap me in. That was it right there. If it hits 45, Actually, let me just I'm gonna cancel this. I'm gonna buy stop into this because NQ ain't gonna she ain't gonna play that bullshit with me. I want to get in
Order
at
filled.
all right. I wanted to get in there at 40 but I think this is good. I think this is good right here. And if it does continue to go down, I am willing to scale in one more contract at like 20 or something like that. 20. So, but yeah, this is definitely getting bought up here. Definitely getting bought up. I think this goes all the way to like 530, 540. 530, 540. I mean, we're gonna probably see some resistance. No, because they already sold it there. They already sold it there. We're gonna probably see some resistance at like 400, 5, or 492, 500. But I think ultimately we get to that 530 area, 530, 540. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. And that's the game I'm gonna play today. What is this, like 520-ish? Nah, I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna hold this to like But you said what happened to your stream? Oh yeah, you told me to cut off, yeah. Then that went down. Yeah, it sucks, man.
Yeah.
That sucks, dude. That sucks.
It's not reliable.
That sucks, you know. But yeah, I think we can get to like to 40 today, but it's probably no higher than 50. Probably no higher. I think 50 might be that level. Or so 563, like 563 probably. It's probably the highest that we're gonna possibly go in that area. But yeah, me and Smith talked about this move down, I think Friday or Saturday. And we was talking about, and I was like, man, this is definitely going down. That was definitely a rebalance of a prior area, prior structure, and that 590 level was going to get broken, and we was going to test this level down here. Like we got to 440. Yeah, we was talking about 440, and I was like, man. I had my limit at 38, but I was like, nah, I might not even get down there, man. It might just happen and go. Good morning, Alfred. Good morning, Mad Moxie. Good morning.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. All that was in the stream earlier. Yeah, internet went down.
Yeah, man, that happened, man. Especially where you're at, man. That's gonna happen. I think I seen something somewhere, possibly online. Like somebody was saying that this week was gonna be a challenging week, and I'm trying to figure out why they think that.
So why do you think that?
This is not gonna be no challenge. I mean, we've survived. We survived the most toughest weeks that we're gonna have. Powell, CPI, all that. I mean, we blew our accounts over leveraging, but just trading, managing risk, all that stuff, we beat it. We didn't blow our accounts. We didn't do none of that stuff. We only blew our accounts by over leveraging. So I think, man, if you survived last week by trading normally, you can trade any week. You can trade any week, man. Let me get this crap kind of Chain contracts. But yeah, man, we're gonna trade this thing, man. We're gonna trade this thing. Hmm. Okay. All right. Yeah, them selling right here is no surprise. Yeah, this actually might actually get to my 30 target. But like I said, I'm willing to scale in around like 20 if it gets down here. If it gets down here, I'm willing to scale in. But I was definitely not gonna miss this move. Definitely was not gonna miss it. Mm. Mm. Everything should be going good. Damn, I keep doing that. Okay, I'm gonna have to try to do this like this because it seems like it's not gonna let me do it. Okay, short week in the quarter. This and end of quarter balancing. End of quarter. Okay. All right. We have a short week this week? Oh yeah, that Good Friday.
Yeah.
Forgot about Good Friday.
Yup.
Forgot about Good Friday. Man, they like, dude. Oh, dude, that's like, dude, like, dude. I don't care about no damn Good Friday. You want to trade? God damn it. Cause yeah, I think Friday is completely closed. Yeah, Friday is completely closed, man. Completely. Like honestly, I wonder why they completely close the markets on that Friday. Like I wonder what the reasoning behind that is. Because we're open any other day, on any other holiday. PCE news. I did not do that. So you're saying we got PCE news. So we got Fed Bostic speaking, Fed Goolsby speaking at 8 o'clock. We got new home sales at 9 o'clock. We got another Fed speaker at 9:30. And you said we got PCE. It's probably like on Thursday or something. Yep, Thursday. Hmm? Yeah, next time, yeah, we're gonna keep her on the potty next time. Our daughter's a demon. I swear she is, man. I swear. I just took my daughter off the potty, and her mom just told me she pooped on herself. I swear. Okay. All right. But next time, like I guess that's just me. I should have kept her on the potty. Should have kept her there. Okay, so yeah, we got it on Thursday. PC on Thursday. Um, Tokyo CPI overall. That's gonna probably do some damage to our Asia on Wednesday. I guess that's why you don't chase people. This thing hit my target and everything. I would have been in right here at 9:38. This is where I would have been at.
All right, 430, 10 points away where I said we could see resistance at 420.
Yep.
Let's see. Well, not resistance, but
Support.
support.
Yeah. Yeah, I was gonna scale in at 420, like 420, 418-ish. Yo,
All
look
right,
at
let's
that
see what
bid just
happens.
dropping.
20,
Bid just
20,
dropping.
420. Let me look at my SPY. Let's look at good old SPY, baby. How we doing, SPY? 519.
Damn.
Order.
I'm trying the desktop trader on Webull right now.
Mm.
I think I'm gonna stick with the mobile. I think I'm gonna stick with what I know because I ain't trying to get caught up or clapped.
So 420.
420, baby. Those of y'all who were in the stream.
Yeah, I think this is possibly where we pop at. Well, at least hopefully for this position. And the Bears definitely came in with full force. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it looked like it's about to build up. It's building up, right? Mm, okay. So PC is on Friday, but market is closed. That's crazy. Well, if I learn something, yeah, I think we'll see a bounce right here. Yeah, I should have known this right
Ooh,
here.
that was a scary little long. I was just saying I took that long on that drop down. I was like, help me please, AQ, help me please.
You said you took that long?
I got out. Yeah, I got out though. We're in the
No,
clear.
I think we good right now. I think this is it. Like I said, I should have kept my entry at 38, but it got to 15. I thought they was gonna bounce it right here. I guess they kind of did bounce it. I didn't get out. Mm, mm, 46. Hold on. Did that happen? Just got the 42. Hold on, I was up 30 points. I didn't realize that.
30 points. Sheesh.
Okay. Yeah, because I got in at 46. Got in at 46. I didn't realize that. We really got that to 480? I didn't realize I was up 30 points. Hold on, that happened? Oh, no.
Oh man, they made me miss my. Yeah, I can't trade this on this thing. I'm gonna stick to the mobile. Damn it,
What happened?
made me miss my fill on this thing. Good fill.
What was your fill?
I'm talking only spy.
Oh,
Damn,
on
how many
spot.
points is that? Yeah, spy.
That's 40 points. About 40 points. But I think this is good right here. I think this is good. I think they might try to come back and test what 38 again. They probably gonna test it or just keep on going.
How much is Apex in 50K that you need to pass?
3K.
3?
Yeah, 3K.
Maybe a little over halfway there, baby.
Gain weight. Gain weight just don't know this is a casino. Yo, if we
He
wanted
said
to
you just
be
know.
professional patient traders, we would trade ES. This is a casino, baby. Gainway just fails to
Yeah.
understand that. I mean, I get where he's coming from. He's not wrong. Gainway is definitely not wrong. It is life-changing money. If we take these prop firms seriously, I mean, it could be. But this is a casino, baby. That's why we do this. We will be with ES. So I was looking at ES chart this weekend, and I was considering like, well, to instead of doing CL on my NA meetings, I was gonna do NQ and ES. And I was looking at that chart, and I was like, dude, how the hell does anybody trade this crap? Like, how do you trade this crap, dude? Like 7 points is a lot of points. And to me, I had to remind myself that like 10 points, 7 points to someone trading ES with because everybody's trading heavy size because of how stable it is and how slow it moves. So they're trading heavy size with it. So I have to kind of be mindful about a lot of things if I'm going to start going over ES. So I'm gonna move forward. Well, moving forward, I'm probably gonna start doing technical analysis on ES as well. But the good thing about ES is that it follows technical analysis. It doesn't overshoot or undershoot, just like CL, but it's just freaking slow. Cause yeah, I was looking at it over. I was looking at it over the weekend. I was looking at the trading ranges, and all the trading ranges they lined up. So I was like, cool, that lines up. Um, Yeah, like I think sometime last week I randomly put on an ES short and I was like 7 points, 7 point ES short, just randomly, and I was like, yo, that's what's up. ES God over here, just getting 7 points on the ES randomly. But yeah, I think I'm gonna start doing that as well. So I mean, they may come they may come in right here. Let me draw this out. They may come in. The Bears are gonna at least try. They're gonna at least try, but I think they're gonna fail. I think we're gonna break this trading range. I think we're gonna break through. You're gonna probably use it as support because I think the highs. I think it's. So I'm thinking 540, but we might get the 560. We might be going for 560, but I mean if we're at 40, then you might as well get the 60 if that's the objective. But I think it's the objective is possibly like around 40 or 50, 540. But we're definitely gonna probably see some resistance at 500. So just be mindful of that anybody that's in this trade be mindful, take your profits around 500 because that's probably where we're going to see some resistance or take some of your position off. I'm gonna hold mine to the profit or the target. Or actually, I could take one off because I did scale into this position with one contract. So I guess I could take one off at 500 if I see the resistance I'm talking about, and then scale back into it. Yeah, I can probably do that. Yeah, I can do that because no, they're gonna Because if we get past this, they're going to break it. They're going to probably reject that 500. We're going to possibly use this area that used to be resistance as support for that move higher. Yeah, I think that's how it's going to play out. I think that's how it's going to play out. Yeah, look at that stop run, baby. All right, I think we're going to break this.
Yeah. Dang.
All right, so I scaled in around like 22, scaled in at 22. I'm up about $300 in this position. Well, actually, I'm up $600 in this position. I'm copy trading. Your boy finally copy trading in Top Step X. But I'm a copy trade using micros though. I'm not trading minis. I'm not trading minis ever again, unless I got like $10 billion in my account.
That's funny.
I've just come to realize that I do way better with micros. I do good with minis, but I do way better with micros. So I'm gonna just stick with them. Or let me rephrase that. I'm more versatile. You can take profits along the way versus just having one or two minis and having to pick and choose where you want to get out. With micros, I can get out. If it retraces, I can get back in without putting on too much risk. I'm not getting no motion. You said what?
No, I was just saying I love it. I just passed the Apex 50Ks on that pump.
Yeah, congratulations on that. Where'd you get in at?
And then trade day, I made too much. I mean, I was just scalping it up. I didn't hold. You know me.
Yeah.
But yeah. Beautiful, beautiful recovery on the 2K tick chart. Yeah.
So we'll see. We'll see. They probably might actually try to take this right back down, but I don't think so though. I don't think so. I guess we do have to get over 490 though. I think they're gonna do it though. I think so. I think this is it. You don't get a big giant 3-leg move down like this without a substantial pullback. Yeah, I think we're going to 530. I'm confident now. I'm confident. I'm gonna hold until 530. I'm holding until 530.
530.
530 at least. I mean, we possibly could break. No, I don't think so. Honestly, I don't think so. Looking at the chart, there's gonna be heavy resistance at 530ish. There's gonna be heavy resistance, honestly, unless the bulls just really break past that. But the highest that they can possibly go is probably like 560, and then a move down. There has to be a move down at 560. We might find support for a move higher, but we got to get the 530 first and see how the bears react there and see if the bulls can hold it.
Well, we're coming into VWAP and Golden Fib zone where we got denied pre-market and we start dropping off of there at 486, 87 on that comeback on the second leg where they tried to push it back up. They failed around here, so be mindful if there's any resistance up here, or if we just blast right through it to VWAP.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I mean, we're gonna see some resistance here, man, because I mean, go to the 5K tick, because we're gonna see some resistance because that's where we bounced. So we're gonna see some resistance at VWAP. So honestly, I'll actually take off one here because I know it, and I know it, and I just kind of stop being foolish and actually just take one off and just re-add it because we got this big bounce in this area, so we're definitely going to see some resistance. And man, Moxie, I do agree. That's why I was like, well, I know a lot of people. Well, I mean, I don't like to use that word gambling anymore, but short-term traders are more. They find themselves in the Nasdaq, and more long-term traders, people that want to see consistency over time, they are in ES. They are ES traders, so I do realize that.
Nice, y'all. I'm looking at y'all killing it today in the chat. Risk managers. That's what I like to see. I got these SPY calls, 0 DTE, baby.
He says he's
Just riding the wave. Yeah, I'm about to close out though.
oh
We
shit.
gotta push. You need to push this. If NQ don't push this, I don't. Yeah, get it.
Yeah. I mean, we knew this was gonna come. We'll see. We'll see what the 9 o'clock the algo at 9 o'clock does. I mean, we're finding support right here, but they are trying to sell it off a VWAP.
If we could get a gap fill, if we can get a gap fill and SPY up to 21.18, 21.14 ish, or shoot, just even 21, that would be nice to see.
Okay, so what's this say? It's all I hear. He says, I just hear casino. Yeah, dude, this is the casino, baby. NQ is the casino. This is the casino. So me and Gang Wave talked about this in the Discord yesterday. And I was like, yo, what I should have said was compared to the ES, the NQ is low liquidity. It's low liquidity. Not too many people trade the NQ because it's dangerous, man. This is dangerous. Like, dude, like there is no way that I would trade my money with ES, and I've already, or with NQ, and I told you that because look, I mean, it follows technical analysis, but you got this big drop through all this support. Well, I guess they probably just with all these bounces and stuff, they probably just cleared this area out. What day that was? Friday. So I kind of figured that they was gonna trade through that. But if you're trading your real money, you're like, yo, they triple bottom here. They're gonna at least find some support. And this is where all these stops. Look at all these stops getting ran because people they bought here. There's no way that you'll tell me that you did not buy here because of all this support. And yeah, this is dangerous, man. I wouldn't trade this shit with my real money. I wouldn't trade ES. I would trade CL, but more people trade ES because it's more stable. You don't get these crazy moves with ES. I mean, it kind of follows. You kind of know what to expect with ES. You know it's going to chop down. Look at that. Look at this move. Chopping down. But you can see that it's finding support here in this low support area. I mean, you can trust ES. You can trust her. She's reliable. Not NQ, though.
Oh, reliable.
Not NQ. You can't trust that. You can't trust her at all. So I probably might start doing some technical analysis videos for ES as well, because I think more people would prefer that, honestly. Yeah, so yeah, I think that's from moving forward, my NA meetings will be NQ and ES. And I'll leave all my CL trades to myself. Yeah, I mean, you can, like, this is reliable. And then this came up what? Damn, how many points? Damn, that was like what? Like, so 74, about a 10-point play? Man, that was a 10 points right there. That was 10 points. Okay. Let's go back to our baby girl. MQ girl. You said what?
I said we got news coming up at 9.
Yeah.
Yeah, just past Apex. Well, my first trade was that short. I actually took the shorts. Yeah, right out the open.
You know.
And, yeah.
We're coming up on our first target, baby. We're coming up on that first target.
Yeah, we got to break this.
Actually, I'm gonna put this at 91. I'm gonna put this at 91.50 because
make or break.
You said what?
I said it's that make or break moment, 45 through 490. I see these orders sitting there.
Yeah.
They trying to
sell it right back down.
So.
If you're in this trade long and you don't want to take the drawdown, this would be a great area to get out of this position. You already know I'm gonna hold it, baby. So this would be a great area to get out of the position because it may fail here. We may get a retest. I actually might get my break even touch, honestly. But I think they touch this first. We can at least get that one profit target off. I think they touch this at least first. But if not, if it keeps going, I mean, that's what we want anyway, baby. That's what we want.
Inside high 5.33.
Oh yeah, thank you, Alfred. Alfred stated that the U.S. new home sales changed month over month, actual -3%. Forecast was 2.1%. Previous 1.5%. Yeah, so it's under expectation. But dude, ain't nobody's buying homes. Like, yo, I just watched this news segment. Man, this lady got arrested for quote unquote evicting a squatter from the home that she owns. Yo, nobody ain't trying to be no goddamn homeowner if squatters have more rights to your house than you do. Like, dude, yeah, that's crazy. So she got arrested because she didn't, I guess the law protects squatters and say that she has to go through court and they can't kick them out without a 30-day notice as if they're tenants and stuff like that. And she kicked them out. She changed the locks. The squatter called the police on her and she got arrested. I was like, yo, that's crazy, man. That's crazy. That's crazy, too. So on top of the interest rates being high, you gotta worry about somebody taking over your house. Yeah, okay. Honestly, so I wonder. So I wonder what's stopping somebody. So like, if you come into your home and you see strangers in your home living it up, why the hell you can't shoot them and say that you was defending yourself because you walked home, you came home, there's people in your home, and you was fearful of your life, so you took theirs. I don't understand that. But it must have something to do with the law, I guess. I guess. I don't know. That's crazy. That squatters have more rights to your home than you do.
It is crazy.
Yep. Yep. Squatters are, yeah. Squatters, dude. That's crazy, man. And then you already know that the court process is drawn out. You know they're gonna take their sweet time. Mm. Hey man, and I saw this comment online. It says they was playing a scenario where they was like, aren't you gonna call the cops? And then the guy was like, why? Nobody doesn't know you're here. Nobody doesn't know you're here. Oh, I'm gonna call the cops. Shit, you want to live here so bad, you can live in the floorboard or in the backyard forever. You can be in the backyard forever since you want to be here so goddamn bad.
That is funny. All right, Bulls, let's break this. Let's crack this. Get back into the 500s if you want it.
I think this is good, man. I think this is good. Like I said, I think we're getting the 540.
Show us you want it. Keep getting freaking rejected.
I mean, yeah, we're gonna get rejected, man. We're gonna get because, like I said, we had that pivot point at 5 or at 492 or 492-ish, and price is just almost right there. So, yeah, we're gonna possibly get that rejection in this area, possibly.
Yeah, like I said, they tried it earlier. About 7:30, 7:40. Tried to break it on the way back up, dropped back down, tried again, failed again. Then we tapped into it, kind of sold off a little. Yeah, so we about to crack this.
Yeah, I think so too. I think so. I mean, we had a big monsters drop, man. I mean, like I said, we might get a pullback, retracement or something, but I don't think the Bears. I mean, they could, I guess. I mean, I guess they could. I guess we could at least double bottom possibly, but nah, nah, nah. That wouldn't even make sense. That wouldn't make sense if they would have double bottom. That wouldn't make sense. Because, I mean, they've already swept all that liquidity right there. All them buy orders that just got taken. Me said, delete the video, Sherm. This could be used as evidence. Shit. Better not find yourself in my. Man, I got women to protect. I have my daughter and her mom. Oh, you will lose your life. You will lose your life. You invade my place where my girls live at, you will lose your life. I mean that shit. I mean, listen.
Come on, Bulls. Y'all need to crack. Take a stab at VWAP.
Shit. Well, I guess on Top Step, I guess I was like, hold on, VWAP. They already touched VWAP, but I forgot you can't trust Top Step's VWAP. It's just there for show for me, honestly. Because sometimes price do be reacting on it, so I'll keep it on there. It does react on it. But I'm gonna trust my Ninja Trader 8 VWAP. And yours is at like 496, 497? Yeah. Hit that first target, baby. Hit that first target, baby. Hit that first target. First target hit. Good trade. Whoa! Yo,
Order filled.
y'all saw that?
Hey yo. Hey yo. Hey yo.
Yo, that shit just traded through my limit, yo. Okay, so yeah, so this actually might get a pullback in this area. You may get a pullback or it may keep going. Just be prepared for a pullback if we get it. Just be prepared. So how many points was that? 443. We got out at, so that was a 50-point play, people. 50-point play. We did scale in at 20. Or yeah, we did scale in at 20 right here. So let's see if we can get 100 points today. Let's see if we can get 100 points. If this gets hit, man, nah. You're getting 100 points today. You're getting 100 points.
Baby.
Getting 100 points today, baby.
Cutting up. SPY cutting up.
All right. Yeah, it looks like they got some resistance at 510. They're trying to sell it at 510. What's up, Jack? What's up? Oh yeah, I forgot. Let me be so today I have to take over the team today, so I'll be ending the stream around 10:40, 11 o'clock-ish. 10:40, 11 o'clock. I won't be able to push past that. I gotta take the team over today, so there we go, baby. Keep pumping. Keep pumping.
Oh, only down a shop. Look at this. Yeah, keep pumping it.
Right.
Going nuts, baby.
Oh, you talk about your SPY calls.
Yeah. I'm trading SPY now. I'm done for the day with the futures. Actually, that's kind of crazy. Done super early.
Dude, you get in at London, dude. Dude, if you're trading London, you get a good like, dude. It seems like all the moves are pre-market anyway, so you can be done before cash.
Yeah, man. Pre-markets has been the move, bro.
Mm-hmm.
It's been the move.
Yeah, so we way up in this position, baby. We way up. We way up. On our road. Yo, we 10 points away from 100 points. We're 10 points away from 100 points, baby. We're 10 points away from 100 points.
Nice, nice,
10
nice,
points.
nice. Let's go, baby. Spy doing work right now.
That's what I'm talking about.
All right, I'm out.
You got 6 more points, baby.
I'm out. It's just, man, hey, don't. I mean, you got it, but just
Yo, hey, yo.
front run it a little bit, man.
Hey, Q. Hey, Q, please, man. Hey.
Maybe front run it a little bit.
It won't be 100 points now, would it, if I front run it?
Hey, it's okay though. I'd call it 100 points.
It's just like no one cares, Sherm. I care, goddammit. I care.
Hey.
I mean, I'll take one off.
How many contracts?
Order filled.
I'll take one off.
Yeah.
I'll take one off here. I'll take one off.
Yeah.
I'll take one off.
Yeah, it's 100 points. Like exactly, Moxie. It's 100 points in spirit. Take one off. Let it ride, baby.
100 points in spirit.
You know, it's in your range on there. Tapping into that range, so
yeah.
Your chart.
Yeah. Yeah, come on.
Just,
come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Plus, we said we work on taking profits.
I mean, yeah, we did talk about that this week, and I was like, yeah, let me just start taking this more seriously. Well, okay. I take it seriously, but 2 more points. 2 more points, baby. 2 more points. 100 points, baby. Let's go. 100 points, baby. Let's go.
Damn it, Spy. I should have stayed in. It almost went up to my break even on 0 DTE.
Actually, you know what? No, I'm tripping. Let me put this back here because, well, I'm gonna leave one to run. Actually, no. I want this. I want 25. I want 25. Don't give me 25. I'm gonna leave one to run because I think this is the area where they might actually try to sell this back down. He says.
Oh shoot! Spy was 9 cents away from my break even on 0 DTE. I got out though. I said a take profit, but and a stop loss. But man, made $100 on that.
Man, I think I gotta take this, man. I'm not gonna. Yeah. Damn it! EQ.
Probably gonna sit through. Yeah, you're gonna probably sit through a pullback. I'd take it. Ooh. Can't believe I'm done that early. And I'm probably made too much money in my trade day account.
You got a trade day account?
Yeah, I bought a trade day account because they had a deal.
Oh, did they? Well, yeah. You know you're solid trader and you know they won't pay you out. Remember that.
I just gotta follow their consistency rule.
Damn it! Damn it! I should have took it.
All right. Let's see if TradeZilla.
Actually, okay. This looking like it's about to reverse. I'm sorry. What'd you say?
Nothing. I'm just talking. I'm about to check TradeZilla to see if they got Webull access. I want to journal my options trading. See what we can do with this.
Man, it's not great, Alfred. It's my ego, baby. I mean, I'm not gonna let this thing fully retrace on me. I'm not gonna be that foolish, but so your boy got 300 points. So I got 90 points on Power Day multiple times. I got my 100 points that was Wednesday. I got it Thursday. Got my 100 points Friday. Got my 100 points today. Damn it! I'm gonna have to actually get out of this. You know what? This is what I'll do. I'll do a sell stop. I'll stop out of this position. If it gets to like 7, if it gets below this candle, I'll sell out of this position. and just leave a runner. And you're right, Alfred. This is a top step account, so I'm gonna probably leave a runner. If I get an opportunity to scale back into this, like if price gets to like 488, 488-ish, because I think that's what's gonna happen. We're gonna probably get a drop to 488. Yeah, probably at the top of this range right here, 488-ish. Yeah, I'm gonna actually get out of this one. No, actually, I'm gonna scale into it. I'm gonna get into it long. Yeah, 488-ish for the people in the back. This trading range, baby, is a great opportunity to find support because I think it's going to pull back here, actually. But if it doesn't, though, yeah, actually, like I said, I'm gonna move this up. And I got my 100 points. I got out, but I'm not gonna let this come all the way back on me. I am gonna give it room. Yeah, because this is looking like it's gonna reverse. Yeah, okay.
Order filled.
All right, I'm out. I'm out that one. Like I said, I'm planning on scaling back in at 88. So actually, price gets like right here. I'm actually gonna scale in 2 limits, probably 3. Yeah, I'm scaling with 3 limits right here. So I'm in one contract right now. Yeah, I'm in one. I'm waiting for I'm gonna wait for this target up here because I think we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. But all in all, that was a good trade, baby. That was a great trade. Great trade. Look at that entry. Look at our 100 points that we got. Look at our 100 points that we got, baby.
Nice work.
Says Jonathan says it's that really sharp trailing and stop. Yes. I said I was gonna turn over a new leaf last week. I said I was gonna change, or I was gonna do better. Look at that.
I'm looking at their platform. Subscribe to that. Oh. Let's see. Options price reporting authority.
Yeah, this is actually my reverse right here, actually. It's honestly my reverse. No, like I said, I'm gonna keep this to run. I'm gonna keep this. I'm not gonna trail this. I'm just gonna scale into this position if need be. But I'm gonna leave this entry. This is a great entry. This is a great entry. I'm not gonna give this entry up. And I'm not giving this entry up. And if it does come back on me, it's only a 30-point loss. So yeah, I'm not gonna give this up. I'm not giving it up. But this will reverse here. This definitely will reverse. So.
Like that.
Yeah, you're right, FX. You're right. You can break the trades up and have them equal 100. We know this.
You want it all in one go.
No, you know it, baby. You want it all in one go. Put that on the resume. But like I said, it's an ego trade. I'm not gonna sit here and say it's not. It's definitely an ego trade.
Boy, I finished right out the gates, baby. Right out the gates. Which is crazy. Now I kind of got nothing to do but trade SPY all day.
Yo, I think this is a great opportunity right here. How do you feel? How does that make you feel? What is going through your mind and what you physically going through right now?
I don't know. I should be back in the NQ with everybody else, but
Uh-huh. Yeah.
I'm gonna be. I'm gonna chill. I passed. I did my filled my mission. Damn, look at NQ. Dang. Yo, if you log from the bottom where we were initially, 420-ish, 450, yo,
All right.
and help,
That's what I'm
help
talking
in a
about,
BS,
baby. Look at that
yo,
shit. But I think that was it. I think I fucked up. I think I fucked up. I think I fucked up. I fucked up. Fucked up. I fucked up. Fucked up. Fucked up. Let's see if I can get it. Let's see if I can. No, let's see. Let's see. I think that was it. I think that was it. I think that was it. Let's see. Let's see.
yeah, didn't
Let's
you
see.
say 540?
Yeah, the way that shit just dropped like that. Yeah, that was a liquidity sweep. God damn it. Oh, that was a liquidity sweep,
Damn,
baby.
if I'd have held the SPY calls a little bit longer, it would have hit my break even on a 0 DTE. That is insane.
Mm.
And I had an 80 cent break even.
80
So
cents.
that means 80 cents on SPY for the break even. And it did work. Pumped all the way up there. But I secured the profits.
Yeah, that's what matters, man. That's what matters, man. So Jonathan said that he was out at the bar last night, so he said he's not trading today, so he's experiencing some FOMO right now.
Oh man.
Hey man, yo,
Yeah, that's the
it's
worst. Oh, go ahead. I
no,
was just
no.
gonna tell him my side, like I finished so early, like I feel like I'm missing out too. On the excitement. I just passed 5 Apex accounts, and it sucks I couldn't get it on stream. I should have recorded my screen at least, but
Yeah.
too much. The volatility was going too much to shut all that up.
Oh, okay. So Jonathan said he sold his bar yesterday. I hear a lot of people do that. I hear that the industry is very demanding. It's a very demanding environment. Is that true, Jonathan? He said he sold his bar yesterday.
Oh, congrats.
I know that the bar scene after the pandemic, I know the bar scene has just never been the same after that. It just is not the same. After 10 years, it's tough. Yeah, I hear that. I hear it, and that's why you don't see bars. I mean, if you can see a bar last a long time, that means that there's a solid team behind that bar. It's a solid team because it's a lot to deal with. You got your bartenders and not saying all bartenders, but usually bartenders, I mean, they're just doing that as a hobby. I mean, hit or miss if they're reliable, hit or miss if they're really good at their job, hit or miss. And then you got the customers. Everybody's drunk, so you have to deal with drunk people all day. You gotta throw that guy out. And it's a night scene, so you got disrespectful people coming in thinking they're better than everybody else in the club. Yeah, so or the bar, club, wherever you're selling alcoholic beverages. So yeah, it's a lot. It says all cash. A lot of theft. It says over 4,000 bars and restaurants closed here. Yep. We're going for 20 years. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Dude, congratulations to the people that got lucky enough to start their podcast during the pandemic. Man, that was a great time to actually get on the internet and start talking to people. It was like the best time to actually get online and start talking to people.
Yeah.
Yep, good staff is hard to find. Yeah, like dude, I mean, in that night scene, you only get certain types of personalities in that scene. Only certain types. They'll come into work because they have to, but then they're always trying to find a reason not to come into work, and it's not reliable. especially if you're trying to run a business on its own is already mind-boggling, and then you have to deal with unreliability every day. Like, yeah, no. So yeah, I hear that scene is tough. That's why a lot of bars don't last too long. I think I might have messed up. Hopefully we can get another pump back up. Yeah. I shouldn't have been.
Well, I'm looking. It depends where you're trying to take this to. Because I'm looking
So
at it. It's still right in the 9 EMA, and that's like the short term. That's like the 21 EMA's little cousin.
little cousin, little brother. I'm sitting there thinking we can possibly
Yeah,
take this like
yeah.
to 54-ish, 54, but I had my target at 53. And if I could have just got out of it at 42. I mean, I guess I was trying to, well, I mean, this is a runner, so I guess I have to just, it's a runner, man. It's a runner, so.
Okay.
I guess I wanted to get out of it. I did wanted to get out of it. But my target fell short because they swept that 35, which I kind of figured that they was going to do. They swept it. Yeah, they swept that damn high. God damn it. All right. Okay. All right. Let's see if this little support area, if they're going to find support here. If they don't, they break this. I'm going to try to get back in long around like 88, 84-ish. That's what I'm going to try to get back long in. 55. 55? Can we get back to 55? Can we get back to 55?
Check spy. See what she doing. Okay.
70. No, I think, you know. Yeah. No, well, if I get in at 90, no, because that's going to be a reversal. Because if this does fail here, if they do fail here, actually, I'm actually going to move this down to about right here. Yeah, I think that's good right there. Like 70, I'll probably put it like at 72-ish. 72-ish. Yeah. Yeah, 72-ish.
Anybody out there trade penny stocks and is good with penny stocks? If you know somebody, share the info. Penny stocks is a gamble.
Yeah, it definitely is. Definitely a gamble.
That's the gamble right there. Yeah.
Sounds like our boy Smith and watching Wolf of Wall Street again.
One of the top trading movies. I like Trading Places. That's a good one. Wolf of Wall Street. What else? Wall Street, Money Never Sleeps.
We got Fed cooking. Appreciate that, Alfred. We got Fed Cook speaking in about a minute. Well, technically a couple of seconds. So we'll see how he affects the market. And then we got the 2-year note at 12. And that's all we got for today. Light news today. Tomorrow we have durable goods at 7 o'clock, 7:30-ish. Consumer confidence at 9. So that's definitely going to be a market mover is going to be volatile at that time. The algo plus news. Honestly, I think at this point, and then it seems like the greed index is at greed right now. Give me a second. Give me a second.
Like that. All right, Weeble, I see you.
Okay, so we got the greed index at the emotion is greed at this point. We don't know if it's to the short side or to the long side. Just know that people are greedy right now.
Well, I would say long bias, but I think this is gonna break down eventually. I'm not sure when, but I think it's gonna break down. I wanted to see SPY hit that gap. It almost, but if I'm looking at ES, ES looks like a bull flag on the 4 hour though.
Mm-hmm.
So it could potentially keep going up, maybe back into the 300s. But if you're looking at NQ,
Okay, so that's why we got that pump. I don't know if y'all guys have, that's why we got that pump. I mean, we got that pump because the chart said we was gonna get it, but Goldsby said that where do you set it at? It says it says 3 cuts in 2024 was in line with my thinking. They're saying this stuff. They're saying it, but until it happens, I mean, we're gonna trade these charts, baby. We're gonna trade them. But until it happens, I wouldn't hold my breath. I would not hold my breath with these feds because they're just trying to play this game like everybody else is playing this game. They're doing what is called Fed speak, where they're giving the interpretation to what they're saying to you. So if you misinterpret them, that's your fault. Then if you misinterpret them, that's your fault. He's saying that it's in my line of thinking, meaning that if the data shows what it needs to show, then yeah, of course we can have them 3 rate cuts, but we're not gonna confirm that we're gonna do it. Now, if the market sits here and says, "Oh, he said 3 rate cuts," that means we should go long. Yeah, I kind of wish I kind of got out of that runner right there. Once I saw that sweep, I should have known. But like I said, I'm gonna keep my runner. I'm gonna keep it. I think we probably do get like a big test of this area right here, and then we possibly can get a retest.
all right, now I need to know where to get the freaking data from to start tracking this.
Tracking what you need to track.
Webull, this Webull account.
So let's see. I'm gonna try to scale in 1 here for a retest of that high. I'm gonna keep a tight stop on this one. Use some profits to insulate this. I'm gonna just use 1 entry right here. 1. So it looks like it's trying to find some support. Wow, okay. Bastard. All right, buy stop. Damn, dude. Yep.
How's everybody else? They built support at 508-ish, 505 to 508.
Order filled.
Okay, so I'm gonna put 1 right there at this high. Yeah, I think so. There we go. There we go, baby. There we go. There we go. Keep on pushing. We are not about to risk that much money on this play. Actually, did I just mess up? I think I messed up. Nah, that's not how you're supposed to do that. Keep that right there. Sell stop. Just to get out of 1. We're gonna have small risk on this one. We're gonna put it right here. And we're gonna get out at the top of this candle. And hopefully the runner can get hit, baby. Hopefully the runner could get hit. This is gonna probably be a sweep. So you know what? I'm thinking, well, let's see. I think we can get a sweep. Yeah, we can get a sweep, dude. We can get that. We can get that sweep. We can get it. Yeah, we can get it.
account button.
Actually, we're gonna.
History.
Nah, you don't know how I want us to do it.
Statement. Trade confirmation.
Is there an NQ sentiment? I think this is the closest thing that you're gonna get. This is the closest thing. This right here. Oh, this is for crypto. The fear and greed index. So right now, crypto is greed, but this is probably the closest thing you're gonna get because they're probably talking about indices. They're probably talking about the NQ and ES, and right now people are greed. Extreme greed, 69 too.
TradingView has, if you scroll down, well, it's not really a fear and greed, but it has a buy and sell, like strong buys, regular buy, sell, strong sell.
Mhm.
Right now on TradingView, NQ is sitting at a buy, but doesn't mean this thing ain't gonna tank. So just keep that in mind.
I think this is probably gonna get to like the 34-ish, 32 actually. It's probably gonna get to like right here. We'll see though. We'll see. We'll see. We'll trail this stop. We'll trail it once we get close. We'll trail it. We'll trail it. Mm.
Like that. Okay, this is. I've been trying to figure out how to import my statements into TradeZilla from Refill.
It should be. It should do it automatically. There's not enough. They don't have Webull as a broker.
Now they got it in here as a broker, but I need to upload the file
Mm-hmm.
from all my trades, I guess. Let me see my account. Oh.
Yeah, this actually might be going down right here. Unfortunately for my position. Unfortunately for my scaling. Unfortunately. Hmm.
Okay, let me try it from the app. It says, click on the account button, and then
Yeah, I had to actually learn how to import the trades manually, man. You would think, I'm so sick and tired of these platforms not just making it easy.
yeah, no, if you could just link your account to it and
Yeah, because
have it automatically.
Top Step X doesn't have an import trade feature, so I had to figure it out. And the contract multiplier, it took a while, but I figured that it's just talking about, it should have just said points per or profit per point instead of just saying contract multiplier. I was like, what the hell does that even mean? All that means is that if you're manually putting your trades and it says contract multiplier, if you're trading micros, you put $2. If you're trading minis, you put 20. It's basically the cost per point. And they should have just been clearer with that, or at least had like those information icons and telling you what the hell that was. I had to do a whole research paper on that shit last week, trying to figure it out.
Had to be a rocket scientist to figure it out, a heart surgeon.
Yeah, like a whole 20 pages just for that one topic, 20 pages. research,
thesis.
my findings have concluded that contract multiplier actually means the cost per point. And I discovered this by, and here's my references. Oh, 20 points. Yeah, oh, 20 pages. I even put it in chat GPT. Actually, did I put it in chat GPT? I don't think so. I think I just put it in Google. Contract multiplier futures.
So you gotta, that's crazy. I'm really like that.
Of course, we're gonna get this slow down. Of course, we're gonna slow down.
All right, baby. So here's the here's the update on my options, my Webull account. I got a 95% win rate. I started trading on the 13th with $200 because that was all that was in the account. And currently sitting at 864. So I'm gonna keep that in there. Trying to get to 1K, baby. That elusive 1K.
My boy Smith proving that you can grow a small account with options, baby. But Diary of an NQ Trader, yo, yeah, I appreciate that, and I know that's why I kind of like that's the one thing I do hate, that the EMAs are different. That's why I'm also looking at my Ninja Trader 8. I think so right now. The 21 and the 50 EMA and the 200 is right, or it's close enough, but VWAP is not. VWAP is definitely not. It's off about 10 points. So anybody that's looking at my screen and seeing VWAP is off about like 10 points. This green line right here is VWAP, but everything else is kind of close enough to where it's
Your VWAP?
my VWAP on Top Step X is like 491. But on Ninja Trader's like 508 or 500, 501, basically.
Mine on my 2000 tick is at 497.
497?
Yeah, and then that's on the 2000 tick. And then, yeah, same on my 5 minute, 497.
Well, then, Q, figure it out. Buyers, sellers, figure it out.
Yeah, it's kind of just consolidating here.
Yeah. But yeah, I do appreciate that diary of the NQ Trader. Yeah, I don't understand. Well, no, I guess TradingView doesn't have any access to order flow and ingest all the data into its database. So I wouldn't really expect their VWAP to actually be good. They're not a broker. But it's getting to the point to where everybody's trying to be a bank and everybody's trying to be a broker, which is basically a bank. Because I know, like, what I listened to this documentary on Starbucks. Do you know that right now Starbucks has more cash in its system that I forgot what bank they were saying, but it has more money in its system than a bank. You know, like how people go to Starbucks and they save money in cash on those little accounts or whatever. So technically they're a bank, but not a bank. They can use that money that people have stored up in their accounts like just like a bank, the same functionality and everything else. Just as long as whenever people use their points, I mean, I'm pretty sure Starbucks is gonna be like, yeah, you got the points, it's gonna work, but I got your real money and I can use it the way I want to use it. So Starbucks has more money than a bank. I'm actually rewatched that documentary and see what bank they was talking about it, but it was a big bank. But I don't want to misquote what the documentary said. Actually, I could just look it up. I was watching that yesterday. I was like, yo, that's crazy. And Chick-fil-A, uh, speaking about Chick-fil-A, they talking about they're no longer going to use antibiotic chicken or anymore, whatever the hell that means. I don't know what the hell that means. Like, what were you using before? Or what is it? Antibiotic chicken, antibiotics in their chicken, so they're gonna stop using it? I mean, what does that mean, Chick-fil-A? But they were
You
saying
know,
that. I'll go ahead.
they're gonna take the crack out the chicken.
I guess. I mean, did y'all see that video that went viral about Chick-fil-A and their chicken of how much chemicals that they actually have in their chicken and that these chemicals are addictive, which honestly kind of makes sense as many people that are addicted to Chick-fil-A and that's all they eat. But after that video went viral, they actually took the ingredients down. And I think this is probably where all this is coming from, actually, now that I think about it. Because they were literally selling chemically chemical crack, chemical heroin to get you addicted to their damn chicken, put it in the food and stuff like that. I mean, I stopped eating fast food a long time ago, so none of that pertains to me. But for all y'all Chick-fil-A eaters out there, just be mindful what you're eating, what you consume. All right, so Starbucks. So let's see. It says the Starbucks is it also a bank? It says Starbucks holds more cash in its reserve than many banks. So they didn't specifically say what bank, and I was like, that's probably why I was like, yeah, because I was just kind of listening to it as I was doing some work. But it was saying that 41% of coffee chain customers now pay their beverages with loading money on their Starbucks loyalty card. And right now, Starbucks have loaded at least 1.2 billion into their card system, which makes Starbucks have more money in reserves than banks. And they're saying that deposits by customers are around like 780 million. So it was saying that Starbucks still has a long way to catch the PayPal, which has about 13 billion across the world. So PayPal, that's obvious because why not? That was Elon Musk's
Supposed
con.
to, yeah,
Yeah, that makes
yeah,
sense.
yeah. They thought you're supposed to have
Yeah, Elon Musk, because I mean that was Elon Musk's company first, so people just gonna be a part of PayPal, and PayPal does make things easier. When I started using PayPal, that it puts a middleman between the internet and my actual bank account. But I have a bank account separately for the internet, and I only put money in there. So if I have a purchase online on Amazon, that's the bank I use, and it only has that amount that I need to purchase whatever I need to purchase. Because with all these big companies getting their database hacked and stuff like that, not saying that they don't have clear security. I'm not saying that, but you're seeing these big firms getting their databases hacked. So I'm just going to put a buffer between the internet and my bank account, and I'm just going to only have the money that I need to use to purchase something online in that account, so I don't have to worry about that crap. But yeah, Starbucks has more money in their bank account than most banks. Starbucks. So apparently, according to this thing, it's saying that it has. Okay, I was gonna say I know that's not Bank of America because that wouldn't even make no damn sense. So it has 1.2 billion. I think what is this Mastercard? Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the graphic. So they're saying that this is Starbucks. It's in the same category with banks. Banks. Starbucks has 1.2 billion in their reserves right now. Whatever this is has 2.6 billion. American Express has 3.3 billion. So that's half of Starbucks is almost catching up to American Express, which is crazy. SunTrust. I don't know what SVB is. I don't know what that is. But PayPal with 13 billion. You said what? And this is actually coming from Forbes. So, our boy Starbucks says, yo, America loves coffee. It says Starbucks has all the clout and it's a status symbol. Yeah, it does, man. Yeah, it does. This KFC just said they use clone meat. I've seen that. That article with Popeyes or KFC with their clone chicken meat, where they got chickens that's growing like 10 legs and 10 wings. You know, I think once I read that article, I stopped eating from fast foods, from KFC, Popeyes, all that. I was like, dude, they got chickens growing 10 wings and stuff like that, and I'm barely exaggerating. Like, yeah, no, I'm good. I don't need my chicken to have 10 wings. Actually, let me see if, I mean, it's the internet, so you got to take it with a grain of salt. It's the internet. But, uh, they probably took it down. They probably took that shit down. Because I remember seeing that photo. They probably took it down. I mean, if I was KFC, I would take that shit down too. Just chickens with no beaks, yeah. So I was actually, Jack, I was actually trying to get into stuff like that. I mean, especially if with YouTube, like writing story scripts is definitely important. So I was actually looking into all that stuff myself. So farmer created a chicken with 3 legs. The guy asked him, how does it taste? And the farmer replied, I don't know. Never caught one yet. Says, huh? Says farmer created a chicken with 3 legs. The guy asked him, does it taste? I says, how does it taste? The farmer replied, I don't know. Never caught one yet. Okay. All right. I'm gonna get stopped out of this play. I'm gonna get stopped out of it, I think. It was only one micro contract though, so I didn't think they was gonna come in as hard as they did. No, I was exaggerating though. I was exaggerating. They had like 2 or 3 wings on it. I was just exaggerating the 10 wings part. But it's just the fact that they're breeding chickens to be born with extra limbs. I mean, I get it. You got to feed a whole nation. You got a whole chain of, you got a whole chain. You got people coming in here. So it's like, I mean, I'm not gonna, like I said, and then I think they've had something to where they just approved the selling of genetically or lab grown meat. At that point, it's like, dude, like they grow meat in labs in a tube. Let me see if I can find that. Once I saw that, I was like, you know what? Apparently, the vegans or PETA or something, they're really trying to get people to stop eating real food, real animals, because now they're just making shit up at this point. Grown meat, and they just approved it. So you can see, talk about lab grown meat, says the meat that is developed from animal cells and grown with the help of nutrients like amino acids in a massive bioreactor. So yeah, just be mindful of that, people. They're growing meat in test tubes now, and they're selling it, selling it. You know what, Jack? Honestly, there was a point in time where I just stopped eating meat myself until I just got a hold of all the crap that they was doing. It just seems like well, what's that stuff? The impossible meat is worse. Like it's not healthy. Like the plant stuff that they use, okay, I mean, well, vegetables you would consider that healthy, but all the stuff that they use to make it taste like meat, the additives, the what is it called? The food additives, the natural flavoring and stuff like that to make it taste like meat, that's not safe for human consumption. That is not. She's known me for over 50 years. How you feeling? Yeah. But yeah, this is so yeah, like I said, there was a point where I just stopped eating meat because of all the stuff I was reading about the meat glue that they was using, this and that they was using to preserve the meat, and it was like, God damn, like can I not just eat? Like why is all this like not to not just eat? So there was a while I just stopped eating meat myself. But at this point, I don't eat chicken. I just only eat beef at this point. At this point, it's like you just gotta pick your poison. You just gotta pick your poison. So my poison is beef. I don't eat anything else. I don't eat fish for sure. Don't eat no fish. Chicken. I don't eat chicken at all. But you can't pass up a good steak. I'm not giving that up. I'm not giving up a good steak. I'm not giving that up. You're 70? Yo, a lot of people, that's good, man. A lot of people don't make it that long in this world. And so, yeah, being 70 years old and still being able to walk and talk and stuff like that and be coherent, and that's a blessing within itself. Now, I used to work at the VA. Well, the VA had this volunteer program at the college that I went to, and I met this veteran, and you won't believe how old this veteran is. This veteran was 112 years old. 100 and freaking 12 years old. Still walking. You can see that he was stiff. You can see that he was stiff, but the fact that he was still walking by himself was crazy. And the crazy thing is that actually runs in his family. Longevity runs in his family. I think he said that his grandmother lived for like 109 or something like that, or 100 or something. So longevity runs in his family. I was like, yo, that is crazy. 112 years old, huh? That is crazy. Yeah, 100 and freaking 12, dude. That right there kind of like that right there kind of solidified to me that you can live as long as you want to live. I'm not saying that you can't live a million years old. What I mean by that is if you keep yourself healthy, active, keep your mind busy, keep your body busy, and kind of prove to yourself, well, not prove, but show yourself that you want to be here, you can be here. And then we have the Bible speaking of people living 8 to 900 plus years of age. So it's like, well, you don't see that now, but then you have to ask yourself, why don't you see stuff like that now? And the conclusion I came up with is people kill themselves in terms of their diets, their habits, the things that they consume with their body. I mean, if you're eating processed foods without any nutrients in them, and are you eating cakes, McDonald's, Burger King, all that bullshit that's out there, the chemicals that's in the food, the additives that's in the food, you're eating chips all day, which I just watched this documentary about the chips, and now I'll never eat chips ever again. There's this good documentary that I watched where these companies are breaking down the food. They're putting them through a artificial digestive process. So the food is already processed. And so this you can look it up yourself, ultra processed foods, where they take processed foods, they break it down to the molecule to where it's digested. They got it in a slush. They form it to whatever shape that they want to form it to. So they build it back together. So when you eat it, because the food is technically already digested, when you eat it and when your body goes to digest it, your body says, whoa, this food is already broken down. I don't have to do anything. And what that does, according to this documentary, is to keep you hungry and to keep you eating, because that signal never goes to your brain, I'm full. I need time to digest this food, so relax. But you never get that signal, which keeps you eating the food. And then obviously they have those additives in the food as well. So I was like, yo, it's like, damn, can you not eat? So I don't eat chips anyway. But now after seeing that documentary, I'm not eating chips at all after that. Well, I don't eat processed food at all, but that kind of solidified it for me. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is, man. So I mean, honestly, I was like, when I was going through that journey, that health journey that everybody goes through at some point in time in their life, it just sucks that everything that's bad for you tastes good. And on top of it, tasting good, there's additives in it. Natural flavoring is what they call it. That gets you addicted to these things, to where when you stop eating it, you start jonesing as if you just got off of a drug. So it's like you're experiencing the same effects that a drug addict experiences once you stop consuming your drug. A bag of chips, like a bag of chips is now a drug. Chick-fil-A with the additives that they was adding to their food, drugs. Popeye's chicken, that chicken sandwich. Imagine what they put in that chicken sandwich to have people fight over that, kill each other over that. That's what drug addicts do when they need to get that high. See if this target gonna get hit, baby. Yeah, to keep them buying. I mean, and then I was actually talking to my brother about this. I was like, well, I mean, it's a gray area, because you tell people it's like this information is available for people to find it because I found it. So the information is available to everybody. And I can sit here and have a conversation with someone and tell them this process, show them the documentary, and then they can come to their own conclusions. But 9 times out of 10, that person's gonna watch that same documentary and is like, yeah, nah, I'm gonna eat it anyway. So, and then as the business, you're like, well, shit. I mean, we told people about it. We're not gonna feed this to our kids, but if you feed these to your kids and we told you about it, I mean, shit, we might as well just keep pumping it up. I mean, pumping it out. So it's like, it's a gray area. It's nobody's wrong. I mean, no one is not forced you to eat these foods, but they are available. So, I mean, it's just one of those things, man. Just know they'll take the additional food and die early and suffer along the way. Hmm. Yeah, there is a lot of people that lobby for these companies. That is absolutely true. They do lobby for these companies and say, hey, and they use the same argument, and that's why they're allowed to get away with it. As long as they're putting the ingredients on the package to give you a choice, then everything is legal. Everything is fair game. But another game that they like to play is to play with the language. They can tell you, as long as they tell you what they put in the food, that's all they have to do. Now, they call it something that you don't understand. That's your fault. You didn't take the time to understand what this chemical is, what the compounds of it is, the effects that it has on the body. Is your fault, because you didn't take the time to understand it, and that's why they continue. That's why they can continue to do it and get away with it. But like I said, there's nothing wrong. I mean, they told you what it is. They're telling you. They're just a business trying to make more money, like any business. So I mean, it's like I said, it's that gray area. It's like law, yeah. So that's how they make chicken nuggets, is a pink. Yeah, I saw that. I was like, dude, I would never eat McDonald's. And then honestly, I don't know if anybody saw that Cat Williams comedy special. I forgot which one, but he was talking about the McDonald's potato. They were saying that it was so poisonous that they have to wait 3 weeks before anybody can touch it. So obviously, I had to look that up. And my God, I'm gonna show you what the potato that they use to make McDonald's fries. You can tell that this is not an ordinary fry. You're talking about Everybody want to talk about what's his name, Bill Gates, and him modifying the food. You look at this damn potato. They probably took that shit down off the internet too, because I can't find it. All right, let me try it this way. The potato that McDonald's uses to make their fries. Yeah, they probably took that picture down because people was probably looking it up. It's a nah, I'm gonna find this damn picture, goddamn it. I'm gonna find it. But yo, NQ, you're a bitch for that. You're a bitch for that, man. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Okay, whatever, man. Whatever. NQ. Let's see. Long distance. Yeah, they took that. Yeah, they took it off the internet. You can't find it. All right, it's not popping up. Or actually, here it is right here. So supposedly, this is the potato that they use. McDonald's uses to make their fries. And you can see how big they are. So obviously, you know they're not regular potatoes. But they're saying that the chemicals that they use to protect these potatoes, so bugs and stuff that don't eat it or whatever, is so poisonous that it has to go through a process to where it's safe to actually handle, which is crazy within itself. Yeah, so like I said, I don't eat McDonald's anyway, so none of this pertains to me, but I just find like the stuff that they're doing with our food to be crazy. Mm. Yo, I swear she does, man. I swear. It's like I swear she does, man. She don't want to see your boy win. She don't want to see your boy win for some reason. I don't understand why. But I will move my nah, nah. Ooh, I almost fucked up. I almost messed up. So I'll give it 6 points. I'll give it 6 points, man. I'll give it 6 points. Man, man. Mm. Nah, we're gonna let it ride, baby. Nah. Mm. Uh, 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 okay, I'll put it underneath the 50. Damn it, that's basically break even.
Order filled.
Ah, 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 ah. Mm. All right, so we might get a reversal right here, actually, guys. We might get a reversal. Yeah, I see the double top. That's why I took it. I see the double top. Damn. All right. All right, man. Yo, literally, man. What's up with that, NQ? What's up? What's up with that? Actually, no, that don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. That makes no sense. That makes no sense. Well, I will move my stop up. We're gonna lock in the profits. No, because if it does double top, yeah, and I got one more hour in this too, so. uh, NQ, that was dirty. That was dirty. That was straight dirty, NQ. That was dirty. You only gonna risk $30 on the trade? We had some good trades today. Great trades, great trades. Yeah, honestly, now that we double top here, I think 355, 360. Yeah, I think this is where price is going to go. If price does get down here, we're going to find support. But actually, what I will do though, because I can't hedge I will just use another account. I'm going to sell it. I'm going to sell it if it gets beneath this low. I do believe that we get to at least 455 before we see a bounce. But I'm going to sell into the stops of these bulls right here. Damn, NQ. Damn, girls are like that? Shit. So if these bulls fail, I will plan on selling. Says London High is your target. London High is at 601. 601. I don't. If that might be too overzealous, and this is why I'm saying that. I'm not saying that. Well, actually, yeah, I am kind of. That might be overzealous, and I'm gonna show you why. Because we have a trading range right here. We have an area where they rejected. Oh, they rejected it right here. So you got a trading range, and you got a rejection. And I think this is how high they want to take it because they got too much money sitting up here. They got too much money trapped at this higher day. I think this is the higher day right here, actually. Yeah, they got too much money trapped here. Then we got to break a structure right here. We got to retest of this trading range, and we got to dump. So I'm waiting for them to come back in this area right here to rebalance this area. Actually, I might just put this right here. So yeah, so I'm waiting for them to come back and retest this area, and then we actually might get that dump. Honestly, what I should do instead of on that other one, on that other account, what I should do and just get that better entry. So I'm gonna put a sell limit. I'm gonna put a sell limit here, right here. I'm gonna put a sell limit right there at 450. Because they're gonna come back in this area and they're gonna dump it down. That's why I was like, well, they're gonna possibly dump it down. We're gonna possibly get back in this area right here, 450, 440-ish. And then I can see a move up. I can see a move up from there. Since my stop is above break even now, so I'm holding it through risk free. As long as it's risk free. Since London Open, my target. U2 market edge. I mean, hopefully it gets there because you know I'm a bull. You know I hope it gets there. But I'm also I also trade the charts, and unfortunately, you got this trading range right here, and then I just saw this trading range. So you got two trading ranges of resistance right here. So price has to get through this trading range, and then this is actually where we're finding resistance. This is where price is rejecting at this trading range. Price is already rejecting here. Right here. And so if we get past this one, we got a second trading range right on top of it. So just be mindful of that. Just be mindful. I'm not saying you're wrong. Just be mindful. But all in all, good trade, baby. Good trade, good trade, good trade. Entry at 478. So yeah, that's a great entry right there. Great entry, 478. Great entry. Is this a runner target or is this your whole position? I mean, I would take some off at this area. I mean, I'm not telling you what to do, but I am suggesting to at least take some of it off right here because we may see a pullback in this area. So take some of it off if this is a multi-contract position. But this is definitely a good for a runner. This is a good runner. I got a runner here. Well, actually, I'll get out of this position right here, actually. If I had that one more contract, I would have held this as a runner, but I'm actually going to get out of this position right here. Or right here at 505. So all in all, this is a good trade. So I'm up probably like $600 right now in both accounts. Yeah, so I'm up $1,000 on the day. So because I copy traded this in 2 accounts. Yeah, that's a good one. Good runner. Good runner. But yeah, I'm gonna stay on for the next 50 minutes. But like I said, I got to actually take over the team today. So actually today through Wednesday. So Thursday, I'll stay on a little bit longer, but this week I have to actually get off a little earlier than I usually would. So Diary of an NQ Trader, you are in the Discord, correct? I could have sworn I sent you the invite. I don't know if you accepted. I sent it. I DM'd you the invite. So if you're not a part of the Discord, please accept that for favor, so I can give you a role. You are. And what's your name again? This is 150K. It's 150K. It is. I have trading 7. Okay. Okay. Because I was like, I don't remember, but let me just make sure. Okay, yeah, I see you as a member. Okay. Yeah, because like I said, I was telling Game Week this next week we're gonna launch this. Well, we kind of already have. It's been launched. It's just that now with all the craziness, we wasn't really focusing on it until we got everything right. But like the second week of April, Wednesday through Friday will be Discord member streams only, and Monday, Tuesday will be on YouTube. So yeah, I use the 50% off. Yeah. I see that Top Step is now doing a 75% off on resets, but we don't need no resets around here, baby. We manage our risk. We manage that shit. We don't need no resets around here. It's only like 40, or Terrence is $40. $40 a month. It's affordable. Become a risk manager. You can see we make money over here. And I trade micros, so my strategy is geared towards trading micros. Usually I do have really great entries to where if you are trading minis, I would only suggest trading one mini. Because usually when I trade minis, I do give myself 27 points of drawdown. But with micros, obviously, since I can double that, I give myself about 36 to 40 points of drawdown. And I've already proven we can make money with micros. Shit, we proven that. We can make money with micros, baby. So that's a fire drill this week. Yeah. I got the email last night. It said the 75% off because they're celebrating 75K of subscribers. So they're doing a 75% off of resets. Trying to be Apex on the low. Trying to be Apex on the low. Trying to be slick and trying to call it something else. Trying to be Apex. We see you, Top Step, trying to take Apex model. And Alfred already said that they're trying to, they're considering adding more XFAs. So they secretly trying to take Top Step's model or Apex model because of how successful it is. Yeah, I think this might be the top. Well, not the top, but you can see that. Well, okay, so this is what I'm seeing right now. I'm seeing that. Well, actually, let's look at this because we don't really see. We didn't check this out this morning. We didn't look at the volume or anything. So right now, the micro is at 600K. ES is at 400K. So yeah, we are right at the right amount of volume for the day. So, he says I've heard they could bring it up to 10. Yeah, yeah. We all know now that Top Step is following. Now that they bow down to Apex, Apex is now officially the GOAT. Officially the GOAT. Took over the game. Took the whole game over. Got Top Step, the originator of this game, following their strategy. But hopefully, yeah. Like that 10 accounts that's crucial. If they were to ever bump up the but then well, if they keep their prices the same and allow you to have 10 accounts and then add the micros to mini equivalent, Top Step will be back to being golden. But until they do that, Apex is on top. I mean, they already got that now. Top Step is now the broker. So now with Top Step being the broker, that's all they have to do. And they'll solidify themselves on top if they did this. Yeah, because the commissions here on Top Step X, a full round trip is $2. For a full round trip is $2. That's cheap in commissions. And Top Step X has definitely gotten better. It's definitely gotten better. Oh, and if you pay for the full year, I think there's it's 1 month free. For those that's wondering, it's a month free if you just pay for the entire year, or it's a $40 a month. Very cheap, affordable Discord with a lot of information that will be provided. And so with the NA meetings, the levels for the NA meetings will be provided as soon as or around where market close. So no later than it closes around like 4. So from 3:30 to 4, I begin looking at the charts for the NA meetings to identify levels of support and resistance. That'll be available. I'm gonna say around like 4 o'clock, no later than 4 o'clock. But the video will be released around 6:30, 7 o'clock, because it does take time to edit that damn thing. So that's a great way to get some exclusivity to or some incentive to be a Discord member. Those levels will be available earlier on. Then we got our boy Smith. He trades the London session because he's already up, and so he can handle that. Yeah, I think this is it. Yeah, I think we're going to get this drop down. I think this is it. And I do got a limit sitting here at 58. So I do expect price to get down here. I do expect for them to get down here. And I do expect for them to bounce at this level for a retest higher. I do expect that. Yeah, there it goes right there. They're already selling it off. So if they can't hold it here, actually, I don't know. I'm gonna put this. How much? That's $60. Nah, I don't want to give them $60. I don't want to give them $60. I'm gonna give them $30. I'm gonna give them $30 because this is a double top. They're gonna probably try to take it down. They're gonna probably find some support in this area for a bounce to retest this area, and then we might get a drop from there. We'll see. You said you close your longs? So that's a software called DID. I don't know what that stands for, but it's a software called DID. And I just plug in an AI generated image from Midjourney. You can also use what is it called? It's the Leonardo. So I use Midjourney, but you can also use Leonardo. And you put your photo into DID. They have a subscription for. I got mine on a deal, so for like a whole year, it's like the whole thing's like $50. So I got it on a deal, and I have about I think it's like 10 minutes a month. 10 minutes a month I can create in videos with that AI avatar, and I really do need to sit down and actually start using it because I didn't use any credits last week, so that's a whole 10 minutes of video gone, but I'm gonna try to get on that. Okay, so because they didn't break this down, I'm thinking this is where they're trying to get to. They got stops engineered right here. So they got stops above this high right now. I think they're going to try to run it, and I think they want this liquidity right here. I think they want this liquidity right here. So I'm actually mark this on the chart, actually. I'm actually mark this on the chart. So right now, above this high, we got bear stops, baby. Okay. So yeah, I think we get a run at this high. Because I think this is where they're trying to get to. $16. Okay. And then also to keep in mind, we got a higher high in price right there. So we got this triangle support right there. So if they do get it into this area right here, if they do and they tap it, then you have all these bear stops for that move lower. Or not bear stops, bull stops. Because right under this low, we already know what's under this low right here is bull stops. And as price go higher, people is going to trail this. So there's nothing going to be stops for this move down. Oh yeah, and then they got heat at 550. Yeah, okay, yeah, this is definitely going to 550. Yeah. If y'all look at Bookmap, they got their orders ready to get out this position at 550. So that possibly they're going to try to get out of this at around like 45. Yeah, they're going to possibly try to get out of this at like this right here. We'll see. You can see how aggressive the bears have gotten. You see that? Look how aggressive they sold this thing. This big giant wick. The bears are definitely trying to protect their position right now. They're definitely trying to protect this. Hmm. Actually, where's it at? Where's VWAP at? 500. This is at 509. I'm not going to give it that much. Oh, I'm already there. Already at 509. I'll probably give this 45. $45. I'll give them $45. But I feel like if they break this, then they break this. Because now I kind of want this target now. Shit, are they going to try to get it right here? You say you've been getting some slippage? How bad is it? Says one account is $100 more than the other. Really? Huh. Look at the follower account and let's see. Okay, well, okay, never mind. So this account has 513 in it. Okay, well, both of mine are the same. Mhm. But yeah, the Bears know. The Bears are going to get out the way. They're going to get out the way. They tried to sell this damn thing. You see that big giant wick? Aggressive selling right here. They're going to get out the way because we know where we're trying to get to, baby. You know where we about to take this. We about to get them stops. You know where we about to take it. Yo, Alfred, that's funny. The follower is getting better feels than the leader. Are you trading micros or are you trading minis? I mean, I guess after a while, you just kind of get tired of it. It says Good Friday is quickly approaching. That's still crazy that they're closing the whole damn. Now we got 3 days of no trading. You know, I was already that meme with the Pablo Escobar where he's just sitting there waiting. I was doing that this whole weekend. I was like, man, can't wait to get back in the markets and start analyzing charts. Hmm. Yeah, they can't get it. Yeah, okay. I'm kind of confident now. Yeah, the Bears are trying to sell it, but they're not letting them sell it past the 21 EMA. The Bears are trying. Probably like what, 46? 46, probably like 50. Yeah, we do look forward to Monday, man. We can get back in the chart shit. We look forward to Sunday, baby. We look forward to 5 p.m. Central Time, Sunday. Yeah, at this point, you just get tired of it at this point, especially when the NQ does stuff like this. Especially when she does stuff like this. I mean, the Bears are trying to sell it. It's a great area to sell. So, I mean, you really can't even fault the Bears for trying to sell it here. It's a great area to sell. But like I always say, if it hasn't gone down, that means it's going up. If it hasn't gone down, that means it's going up. And just like clockwork, look at the Bulls getting or the Bears getting their stop ring. And the Bulls trying to take this up higher. They want 50. They want 50, but I'm thinking 60 though. I'm thinking 60. They're gonna probably get to the top of this candle right here and sweep it. Or possibly this candle here. Yeah, 60. I think 60. Yeah, that's not that. This offer says the U.S. 3-month bill high yields actual 5.2%. So that came in lower than expected. So it's saying the bid to cover ratio, high sales awards, bid at high. Of course, none of it's clickable. All right, let's see these bears get their stop swept for that move higher. Because they got their profits at 550. But we're gonna probably get like a move higher than that. There we go. This is what the Bears was dreading. This is what they've been dreading. This is what they've been dreading. Sorry, Bears. Clapped. 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 Y'all had it this morning. Y'all had it this morning. Y'all don't got it no more. Clapped. I'll just wait till this candle closes. It got about 200 more ticks in this candle. I'll just wait till it close. Yeah. No point taking a loss on this. Let's see if they're going to use this as support to push this up. Let's see if we can get our target before 11 o'clock. Let's see if we're going to get our target before 11 o'clock, baby. Clapped. Bears clapped. Damn. Clapped. Let's trail this. How high did it get to? It got to 47. 47. 47. 47. Yeah, you know they always front run 50. Every time it's 50, 50 always get front run. So they got to the highs of 47 on this one. Honestly, it shouldn't really get past this point right here. Says London Open take profit. Hold on. Where did London open again? Because now I realize what I did. I don't know if y'all was talking about London high as a take profit or London. Hold on, you said London open? Forgive me if y'all was saying London open the whole time, because I was misreading that as high a day for some reason. If y'all was saying London open this whole time. So London open. I don't know where London opened at, honestly. Where did so 565? Oh. So 565. So 2 o'clock. Is that open? Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay. That's actually where I'm gonna get out of this position at. I'll put it at 60. Nah, because they're gonna front run that shit. They're gonna front run the shit out of that. Oh yeah, 560. Yeah, there's a wall at 550. So hopefully we can get our target. And I think I do have a sell waiting for. Yep, I got a sell waiting right here. So I'm actually gonna put that right there. I'm gonna put that right there at that candle. So 56, I'll put it at 55, 50, 55, 50. I'm gonna put a sell right here. That's the one thing that I wish that they would have in Top Step X. Because in Ninja Trader 8, I can do that. In Top Step X, I guess I can't, which sucks. Actually, I'm gonna put this right here. And so yeah, this is a risk-free trade, just like Diary of an NQ Trader. But if it gets past this area right here, if it gets past this candle, then we're going down. If we get past this candle. Got the 21 right here. So they're gonna probably find support if they don't just hurry up and kind of push up. Where would you get in? It says 0 daylight savings. Oh, okay. So 331. So what does that mean? So did they get pushed forward too? So does New York open? Or not New York, I apologize. London open. So it opens 2 o'clock Central for us. So that what that means they open 3 o'clock. So they're moving forward, right? 1 hour forward. I'll put this at 64, 60. Put this at 61. Actually, because I think they're gonna try to sweep this high, this candle high right here. I'll get in right there at 60. I'll get in at 60. I'll get in at 60 right there. He says where I got mine's risk free. Mine's is way too late. You talking about my sell? What are you talking about? You talking about my sell? Or are you talking about my take profit? And shit, if your heart ain't beating, it's not a trade, baby. If your heart is not beating, it's not a trade. But all in all, we had a great man. We've gotten some good trades today. We got 200 points. And if we can get this, target, this will be a 130 point play if we get this target. 130 point play, baby. Live on stream. Straight caught the bottom. Is she gonna do it though? Is she gonna take the TP though? Is she gonna take it? All right, so we tapped 50. We got the 51. He said, I want to skydive for coins. Hey, life got to be exciting somehow. It has to be exciting somehow. It has to be exciting somehow. So we're touching. I think the target gets hit. I just wish it would hurry the hell up. The target gets hit. All right, so we're in the 50s right now. I'm gonna wait until this candle closes. We got 800 ticks until this candle closes. This is dangerous because shoot, this can drop at any point. And then just pivot at 560. Yeah, I think 560 is the top. I think 560 is the top. I think 560 the top. So overall, if my stop gets hit, this is what 107 point play, but I want this damn target. But it looks like they're trying to. It looks like the Bears are coming in. Yeah, this actually, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see if they'll use their stop area as support. We'll see this. We'll see. So we got a flush. We got that flush. No matter what happens, this is a good trade, man. We got a runner. This is our runner contract. Of course, it was so close and yet so far away. It was 3 points away. 3 points away from getting filled. And it drops 20 points. Or just about. Yeah, just about 20 points. Yeah, so. All right, risk managers, this is where I got to call it. I got to log in early for work, taking over the team. So all in all, man, today was a great trade. I'm going to leave this trade on. I'm going to leave it on. If my stop gets hit, it's still a great trade. It's in profit, $9. Oh, yeah, profit $9. If my target gets hit, that's also great. I do have a trade at 60. I'm actually going to put it at 59. 59. I think this is where we're trying to get to. And like I said, there's resistance here. We're trading through this right here. So we'll see what happens. But appreciate y'all guys showing up. We'll do this again tomorrow. We'll just have more great trades. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Peace.